I am Tiffany Williams, owner and principal consultant of Organized Energy Coaching and Consulting, where I assist in developing brands and the professionals behind them. Please reach out to me if there is something I can do to assist you in your endeavors. And so what that looks like on the personal side is assisting with work-life balance, time management, being an accountability partner, and a trusted listening ear, shoulder to lean on, confidant. So many of us try to bear the burdens by ourselves. We don't have anyone we can turn to or trust with some of the things we really want to just get off our chest or out of our head. And so we hold on to all that on the inside, and it's really upsetting. It adds to anxiety. And it helps us to be ineffective in other areas of life. And so what that looks like when we work together is I'm your accountability partner. I'm helping you manage these things and navigate through these things and making sure that you are setting your goals and that you are actually working towards reaching them on a daily basis. It's so easy to say what you want to do and what you're gonna do, but sometimes it's a whole nother story when it's time to actually let that rubber hit the road and actually be about what you said you were going to be about. And so I'm your girl if you need someone to help you through all of that. In addition to that, in order to be a successful brand, you've got to be able to get it properly developed. And so I am with you from the conceptual stage to getting it all set up and getting things registered properly, and also that brand development as it pertains to strategy and how we're going to grow, how we're going to market that brand, how we're going to do the branding. And so, and then setting up processes so that your brand is working efficiently and so that you're working smarter and not harder. And so if there is anything I can do to help you in either one of those areas, I would love to do so. Why? Because I know how it feels. I have owned a couple of small businesses, and I know what it's like to try to be a public success and being a private mess. And so that's why it's my passion to help others to master this thing, because in order to be successful, we've got to have balance. And sometimes balance may not be completely attainable, but we can get as close to balance as possible. And so you need someone on your team that can help you on the front end and on the back end, because we want to make sure that we are successful on both the personal and the professional. So reach out to me. You can find me easily at my website, organizedenergy.co. Again, organizedenergy.co. And so until we connect, I am wishing you and yours nothing but blessings. All right. Have a great day.